So the light I have is kind of making it look like an orange tint, but it's not. It's more of a light peachy color. But I actually do like how the light is representing it. So yeah. These are the sculpted nails. They come with 28. Come with glue, but I already have glue, as y'all already know. Oh, actually, did I throw away my glue? No.
Hey lovely berries, and welcome back to another lovely video. I do apologize I did not introduce the video at the beginning, but this is the start of our Nail-A-Thon, where a couple of days we're going to be doing different nail sets. This one is by Kiss, and I do love this peachy color. I hope you love it too. Continue to watch.
Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can't be sitting relaxed. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the video, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow, and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, we'll lose within. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and I, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Alrighty, lovely berries, so this is the final result. Let's see. See them better? So pretty. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. Can I say it again? I love them. Y'all have to try these out. I will link them below. Of course, I get mine from the Walgreens or CVS. I got these for Walgreens. It was buy two get one free. So you can, I'm gonna give you the link. If you want the link to Walgreens, I'm not sure if they'll have it on their site. If they do, I'll link it. If not, I'll link the one from Kiss, but I like to go to Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Target to get my nails. Only $9.99, and I don't have to worry about shipping. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video and you went all the way to the end, please hit that subscribe button before you go. Comment down below, hit that like, make sure your post notifications are on, and I'll see you in the next lovely video. Bye.